Think you need a six-figure salary or expensive supplements to build muscle? Think again. With inflation hitting our grocery bills hard, sticking to a fitness goal in the US can feel impossible. But today, I'm showing you exactly how to fuel your gains using basic staples from stores like Walmart and Costco, all while keeping your budget under $60 a week. Let's get into it. Section 1. The Protein Powerhouses. First up, protein. This is where most people overspend. At Walmart, skip the fancy organic pre-sliced deli meats. Go for the great value 18-count eggs. It's the cheapest high-quality protein you can buy. And here's a pro tip for Costco shoppers. The rotisserie chicken. It's usually under $5 and can provide 3 to 4 meals worth of protein. If you prefer cooking from scratch, grab the family-size packs of frozen chicken breasts. They last longer and cost significantly less per pound than the fresh stuff. Section 2. Smart carbs and healthy fats. Energy comes from carbs, but you don't need fancy quinoa. A massive tub of old-fashioned oats is your best friend. It's versatile, filling, and costs pennies per serving. For fats, stick to the basics. Store-brand peanut butter. Check the ingredients. If it's just peanuts and salt, you've hit the jackpot. It's calorie-dense and perfect for those looking to bulk up without breaking the bank. Section 3. The $60 grocery list reveal. Here is your CoreFuel USA shopping list for the week. 18-count eggs, $4 5-pound bag of rice, $3.50. Large tub of oats, 4 frozen chicken breasts, 3 pounds, $12. 2 cans of tuna, $2. Peanut butter, $3. Frozen mixed veggies, 6 bananas and apples, $5. Total, under $40. That leaves you $20 for Greek yogurt or a gallon of milk. This is how you win the grocery game. Section 4. Pro tips for US shoppers. Remember, store brands like Walmart's Great Value or Target's Good and Gather often have the exact same nutritional profile as name brands. Don't pay for the marketing, pay for the macros. Also, shop the perimeter of the store. That's where the real food is. The aisles in the middle are usually where the expensive, processed stuff hides. Building a great physique shouldn't drain your bank account. If this helped you, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. Which US store is your go-to for fitness food? Don't forget to subscribe to CoreFuel USA for more budget-friendly fitness tips. See you in the next one.